December 23rd, 2020. This one here, I gotta go change a toilet for a lady. She's gonna go back and she's gonna put in one of these Champion, American Standard Champion Pro. So it's supposed to be a real good toilet, 4-inch flushway, 4-inch flush valve, and a 3-inch trapway. So it's supposed to be one of the best toilets on the market, type of thing. And going back with a handicap height, elongated, slow closed seat. So she's really upgrading here. So we'll try to get you some shots if I can from the shitter cam. The old shitter cam. I know she's got stick-on floor tiles over there, and the last guy that was there kind of glued the flipping toilet down with the latex caulk, so I might have to just change the stick-on tiles under the toilet. She's got extra ones. You know, I never caulk a toilet to the floor. You got to be brain dead to caulk a toilet to the floor, because it's got to be removed. It's got to be accessed and serviced and whatnot. You never caulk a toilet to the floor unless you're flipping brain dead. Got to be flipping brain dead to do that. You heard me. If you caulk a toilet to the floor, you're brain dead. This is a cola. This one you gotta hold the handle down for it to flush. Oh, this is one of those fancy ones with the bracket on the bottom. Shit design. All the caulking. What a flipping mess. The old metal bracket deal. I don't know, that shit's flipping hard. Yeah, seems to be coming off easy enough. Cool as shit design. Got them in upside. Got some kind of little bag I can put this wax in? A what? A bag? A little bag. No, like a shot, like a Shaw's bag or something. Well, that thing's really low. It's really low. I got a double wax I could probably put on there and probably be fine. No, it had nothing to do with it. It's a real thick one. I should do it. Well, I think everything's fine. I'll get it. That's why he did it the other way, but not long enough. That's why he did it the other way. Makes sense now. I'm gonna go back the same way he did it because the bolts aren't long enough. Nice and tight. Put the stainless bolt there. There might be stainless bolts, I'm not sure. Torque both sides now good until it's no extra charge for the dust. No extra charge for the dust. What do you think? No extra charge for the dust. Things flipping loose. That should be good. See if that works now. Maybe it works. That's good. Quarter inch. Let's see what I'm gonna hold it right in place. The bolts are a little bit shorter than I should have used the longer ones, but good enough. Good enough for this neighborhood. There we go. Slow coat seat. I don't know if I'm a big fan of it, but it seems to flush good. Expensive toilet, that's for sure. No leaks. A little dry, no leaks. Got the vent, the flat vent. That's weird.